Everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to delete your Remitly account by contacting the Remitly support. Now if you're having trouble deleting your account using the website or mobile app, you can simply contact Remitly's customer support. How? By dialing +1 888 736 4859. That is for US toll free, or +1 206 299 9596. That's for international. You can also decide to send an email to them, so at mail to support@remitly.com. You can also, once you've contacted them, you have to inform the support representative that you want to delete your Remitly account. It's simple as that. But please note that deleting your Remitly account will permanently remove all associated data, including transfer history, recipient information, and payment methods. Now, it will also cancel any pending transfer and prevent you from accessing your account or using Remitly services. So before deleting your account, ensure you've completed any pending transaction